Hi, it's Grace, and today on Snack Along with Dagashi Kashi we have 7 Neon, or as close as I could find. They're little plastic coated candy sticks. You're supposed to use your teeth to rip the candy out of the plastic. It sounds like an expensive dentist visit to me, but we'll give it a go. These are Fluro mini sticks. They seem like a very thin version of the 7 Neon. They're very pretty colours. Very chalky, but strawberry. That's really nice. Yellow one. Maybe pineapple? I'm not really sure. The green one, or is that still another yellow one? I really don't know. I can't tell if that's purple or white. No, I think it's grape, so it must be purple. And I think the only one I haven't tried is a blue one. Sweet berry flavour. The next ones are a little bit thicker version. I really like the bunnies on the front. These ones look like the plastic is different colours and the stuff in the middle is the same. Oh. Like a milky flavour to them. Maybe strawberry yogurt? These are really hard to get out. Nope, just gonna eat the whole plastic. That worked better. Yeah, it's the same flavour. Like, I think it's yogurt. Not as chalky as the first ones and a lot sweeter. That was really weird. Okay, I wonder if you can really take the plastic off them. No, I think I'm gonna stab myself. Ooh, no, maybe. Ooh. Oh, it fell off. That's kind of gross, but I managed to get some out without the plastic. It's a lot of effort and a lot nicer on your teeth. Ooh, I'm sure there's a better method. Okay, wonder if you can take them off the other ones. It's going to be nearly impossible. No, I just think I'm going to lose all my nails. No, it's too thin, bendy and crumbly. Can't get the plastic off that one. It kind of is fun to eat. If you try these, good luck getting the candy out. It's a little difficult with the thicker ones, but it's near impossible with those little ones. Just gnawing on the plastic. Kind of get some of it out. I don't really think it's worth the dentist visit. I didn't really enjoy these. The effort required to get the candy out of the middle I don't think was worth it. They didn't taste that great. If you're gonna try them, it's fun. Just don't lose a tooth. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!